How to temporarily deactivate Facebook account. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your Facebook application and it will lead you to your homepage, right? Now the next thing that you want to do is on the bottom part, you'll see 6 different options there. Tap on the 3 dash lines or the menu and scroll all the way down up until you see settings and privacy. Now here on settings and privacy, tap on settings and tap on the account center here. Now, if you tap on this, what I want you to do next is to go to the personal details. And here on the very last option, you will see account ownership and control. Tap on that and tap on the activation and deletion. Now here, tap on Facebook since you want to temporarily deactivate your Facebook. And here, tap on the activate account and tap on continue. So this will include all pages that are connected to your Facebook and tap on continue. Now here, all you have to do is to tap on your password. Here, it will actually ask for a reason why you want to deactivate your Facebook account. And let's say this is temporary and I'll be back. So tap on continue next. And here, scroll all the way down. You will see here automatically reactivate your account in. So you will see options here. Let's say you want to temporarily deactivate your account. So let's say you want to deactivate it for 1 day, then tap on done, then tap on continue. And here, so you have to read this information. So your messenger will remain activated but your Facebook is not, and then tap on deactivate my account. Now here, as you can see, you have now successfully deactivated your account, and that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.